In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bars Pattern Tool in Tradingview. The Bars Pattern Tool is a powerful feature in Tradingview that allows traders to identify and compare repeating price patterns in the market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding how to use this tool can give you valuable insights into market behavior and help you make more informed decisions. If you're new to Tradingview, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up for free. To begin, open the Tradingview website by navigating to www.tradingview.com or launch the Tradingview app if you prefer using your mobile device. Tradingview is the platform where the Bars Pattern Tool is located, so having it open will be your first step in the process. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating a free account is quick and easy. Having an account is essential because it gives you access to Tradingview's tools, including the Bars Pattern Tool itself. Next, look at the top of the main page. You'll see a menu bar. Find the section labeled Products. Click on that tab, and then select Chart from the drop-down menu. This will open a fresh trading chart where we'll be working. With your chart open, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a vertical toolbar that contains a wide variety of tools for drawing, analyzing, and identifying patterns. This is where the Bars Pattern Tool is located. Now, let's locate the Bars Pattern Tool. You might spot it directly in the toolbar, but if you're having trouble finding it, there are two alternatives. You can use the magnifying glass icon at the top of the toolbar to type Bars Pattern in the search bar, or you can scroll through the list of tools manually. The Bars Pattern Tool is typically grouped with other drawing and pattern tools, so keep an eye out for it there. Once you've found the Bars Pattern Tool, click on it to select it. This will activate the tool and prepare it for use on the chart. Now, identify the starting point of the price pattern you want to copy. This could be any section of the chart where you notice an interesting price movement you'd like to analyze further. Click on that starting point to begin. From there, drag your cursor along the chart to mark out the section of the pattern you wish to copy. Don't worry if your selection isn't perfect on the first try. Tradingview allows you to adjust the selection later to ensure it matches what you had in mind. Once you've marked out the section, release your cursor. Tradingview will automatically create a copy of the selected pattern and display it on the chart. Next, drag the copied pattern to the new area on the chart where you want to compare it. This could be a section with the latest price action or another area of interest. Positioning the copied pattern next to your area of analysis will allow you to visually compare the two. When you've found the right spot, drop the copied pattern onto that section of the chart. This overlay enables you to see if there are any similarities or repeating cycles between the older pattern and the newer price movements. Recognizing these patterns is a key part of technical analysis, as it can help you anticipate potential future market behavior. Take your time to analyze the overlay and adjust the copied pattern as needed. You can fine-tune its position or size to better align it with the section you're comparing. This step is crucial for refining your analysis and ensuring your comparisons are as accurate as possible. Remember, the more you practice using the Bars Pattern Tool, the faster and more precise you'll become. It's a skill that improves with time, so don't worry if it feels a bit tricky at first. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.